Most trading mistakes happen before the entry, not because the strategy is bad, but because the market condition doesn't match it. Markets shift in regimes, trend, range, volatility. Breakouts in chop, reversals in trend, trading against the higher time frame. That's why we built the SageMaster AI Screener to filter conditions fast and get you to the right chart. This isn't just another screener list. It's built to move you from scan to action. One market view across crypto, forex, and indices, designed to answer one question. What's worth my attention right now? Pick a community screener with its playbook, or build your own. In one table, you read bias, momentum, and market condition, so you stop chart hopping and start shortlisting. Flip on labels and it becomes instant. Bullish or bearish, strong trend or weak trend, trending or choppy. No decoding, no guessing. And it doesn't replace your entry model, it just gets you to the right chart faster. Want it even faster? Hit Ask AI, run this screener and show me the top liquid opportunities. And just like that, you get the top picks with a quick reason, then one click to act. Because the goal isn't to stare at signals, it's to trade the setup. See a clean trend? Click Start Assist and launch Omni. See a range? Launch Grid. Building a dip plan? Start Instant DCA or go manual with a structure guiding your decision. And it's not just crypto. Scan forex and indices the same way. Use it like a strength and sentiment map. Spot imbalance across pairs. See when conditions are clean or choppy. Then, open Magic Terminal with real context. Build your own screener, add your playbook, refine filters, save it, and share it with the community. Or let AI help you build a screener that matches your strategy. This is what SageMaster changes. You stop wasting energy searching liquidity and start acting with clarity.